Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore 6 essential skills that every man needs to excel in life. Let's dive in. Number 1. Effective communication is the foundation of success in personal and professional relationships. Be assertive in expressing your thoughts and needs. Communicate with clarity and confidence while respecting the opinions of others. Number 2. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your emotions and those of others. Cultivate self-awareness to recognize and understand your emotions. It helps you respond thoughtfully to various situations. Number 3. Financial literacy is crucial for making informed decisions and securing your financial future. Create a budget and practice disciplined saving habits. It allows you to manage expenses wisely and build a strong financial foundation. Number 4. Leadership and teamwork skills are essential for personal growth and success in professional settings. Develop strong decision-making skills to lead confidently and make well-informed choices. Learn the art of delegation to empower others and foster a collaborative work environment. Number 5. Adaptability and resilience are critical in navigating life's uncertainties and challenges. Embrace change with an open mind and willingness to learn. Cultivate resilience to bounce back from setbacks, grow stronger, and persevere towards your goals. Number 6. Continuous learning and personal development are keys to staying ahead in life. Cultivate curiosity and embrace lifelong learning. Stay curious to acquire new knowledge and skills. Engage in self-reflection to identify areas for improvement and commit to personal growth. Remember that mastering these essential skills can lead you to a life of fulfillment, success, and happiness. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.